back to my channel. Today we will be making chicken kebab with two different recipes. First recipe, we will be using 6 pieces of chicken thigh, and then first I will be adding oil. It's canola oil, just to dip the meat in oil. Then next I will be adding soy sauce, next I will be adding 1 egg, after adding the egg I will be adding mint. It depends on your taste how much you want to put. And then next I will be adding chicken. Again, it depends on your taste how much you want to put. If you like too salty, then you have to put more. Next I will be adding ketchup. And then I will be adding paste of garlic, just 1 teaspoon. Next I will be adding 1 teaspoon, actually half a teaspoon of ginger. And then I will be adding paprika because I like colorful kebab. And then I will be adding 1 teaspoon. And then at the end, I will be adding breadcrumb. I will be adding 6 teaspoons of breadcrumb. And then just mix it. As you can see, all the spices have mixed with the meat properly. So now I will leave the bowl of meat in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So now we will be making second recipe of chicken kebab. First, I will be adding oil. Again, as much as oil you want, just to dip the meat in the oil. Then it will be softer when you eat. Second, I will be adding tomato ketchup. Depending on your taste, you can increase the amount or you can decrease the amount. Third, I will be using mint. Fourth, I will be using soy sauce. And then I will be adding tandoori chicken masala. I got this from an Indian store. It's a retail store, so you can get it in any retail store, I believe. So for this one, I will be putting 1 teaspoon of chicken tandoori masala, and then I will be adding chilies since my parents like spicy food. Almost half a teaspoon of chili. And then I will be adding paprika for color. One teaspoonful. Next is my garlic paste that I made at home. Also 1 teaspoonful. And then next, ginger paste, half a teaspoon, because if you put too much ginger, it makes it bitter. And then at the end, I will be adding breadcrumb. Again, 6 teaspoonful. And I forgot to add egg, so 1 egg. And now mix everything well. Now as you can see, everything has been mixed well. So now I will just keep them, either you can refrigerate it or you can just leave it on kitchen top for 2 hours. It has been 2 hours and I will put the meat in the steak so that I can put the steak inside the grilling oven. I will be doing them separately, like the 2 recipes separately, so the spicy one doesn't mix up with the non-spicy one. Keep space in between so every meat gets proper heat. And now so I have put the meat inside the oven. Now I will set the temperature of the oven. So for the temperature, I will be using 350 Fahrenheit and 175 Celsius. And it will be roastery, so the chicken will get heat on every way. And then I will start it for 60 minutes. And now you can also see the chicken is moving, or the steak is moving. This is the spicy chicken kebab. It looks like this after 60 minutes. I I have tried to decorate the dish for my parents, and also I will do the same thing with non-spicy chicken kebab. It's the same 60-minute process in the same oven, so I'm not going to show you that one, because it's like the same process. So I have prepared this for my dinner tonight. So this is mutton biryani, and I will be enjoying mutton biryani with chicken kebab. You guys can also enjoy chicken kebab with paratha, naan, tandoori naan, or white bread, wheat bread, whatever bread you like. If you guys have liked my recipe for tonight, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give a like to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.